So, almost there. Got one side. And now I just gotta work on this side. So this time, instead of trying to think, I'm going to drill first. There we go. That's not coming out like it's supposed to.
Alright, so let's make the hole a little, make sure the hole is all the way clear. So we don't have...
So, just built another beehive stand. This one's a little taller than the rest. But, as you can see, it is very durable. I don't know what the weight capacity is, but it is... I am 200 pounds. No swaying or... So... so hopefully, when you stack the beehives up, just in case if I get more beehives, this will be durable. You got